Volume of a cone. So to find the volume of a cone, volume is equal to then pi radius squared times the height and then divided by 3. Or it can be looked at as V equals pi r squared h over 3. So let's go ahead and look at some examples. Example 1. Find the volume of the cone below. So we have our formula. Now, we have our radius, which is 2.5, and then we have a height, which is how tall it is, of 2 centimeters. So let's go fill this in. So we have 3.14 times, now our radius is 2.5 squared, times our height of 2, which is all divided by 3. So let's get our calculators out. We have 3.14 times 2.5 times 2.5 times 2, which is equal to 39.25. And then we divide by 3. And we get 13.08. And this is centimeters cubed. So this is our volume of this cone. So let's do one last example. Find the volume of the cone below. So we have our formula. So we have 3.14. Now our radius is 0.5 and our height is 2 centimeters. So yeah, 0.5 squared times 2 divided by 3. So this becomes 3.14 times 0.5 times 0.5 times 2, which is equal to 1.57 divided by 3. So then we'll divide by 3 and we're left with 0.52. So we have 0.52 centimeters cubed as our final solution for our volume of this cone.